Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a special occasion dedicated to honoring and appreciating the hard work and dedication of our teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September every year in India. This day is chosen to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher, scholar, and the second president of India. When Dr. Radhakrishna became president, his students and friends wanted to celebrate his birthday. But he suggested that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be better to celebrate it as Teachers' Day to honor all teachers. This shows how much he valued the role of teachers in society. Teachers play a very important role in shaping our life. They are not just educators but also mentors and guides who help us grow and become better individuals. They teach us not only from books but also valuable life lessons. They encourage us, inspire us, and sometimes even push us to reach our full potential. On this day, we should take a moment to thank our teachers for their patience, dedication, and hard work. They spend countless hours preparing lessons, tracking our work, and helping us understand difficult concepts. They care about our success and want the best for us. Let us all remember to respect and appreciate our teachers not just today but every day. They are the ones who prepare us for the future and help us become good citizens. Thank you to all our teachers for everything you do. We are truly grateful for your guidance and support. Happy Teachers' Day.